Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the emergency metal key blade. Press the small release tab and pull the blade out. Once done, insert a thin flathead or pry tool into the seam where the blade sat and twist gently to split the two halves. You need firm, controlled pressure so you don't snap plastic. Make sure to keep the two halves aligned as they separate. This exposes the battery well and the circuit board. You're ready for the next step once the fob is open and the internals are visible. You'll now remove the old CR2032 battery carefully. Use a plastic pick or fingernail and lift at the edge so you don't bend contacts. Once removed, inspect the contact springs and wipe any corrosion or debris with a dry cloth. This ensures reliable connection. Place the new battery in the same orientation as the old one, usually plus face up, making sure it sits flat and fully engaged with the spring contact. Once seated, press gently to confirm a solid mechanical. You reassemble by aligning the two halves and pressing them together evenly until you hear the snaps. Don't force one side before the other. Once assembled, slide the emergency blade back into its slot until it locks. Now test the fob from a few feet away. Lock, unlock, and panic functions should respond immediately. If the fob is unresponsive, open it again, verify battery orientation, and clean the contacts. Additionally, try a fresh CR2032. Sometimes new cells are defective or poorly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.